Alright, welcome to this new 1-minute JavaScript video. My name is Yoav, and this time we talk about the Array.flatMap method. Before we do, you know the drill. Please like and subscribe for more future content. Now, if you haven't watched my previous videos about Array.flat or Array.map, I recommend doing so now. Okay, flatMap is just like calling map on an array and then calling flat on the result with depth equals 1. But using flatMap instead of the two separate methods should have a slightly better performance. Notice that despite the name, it's the map that happens first and then flat, and not the other way around. Let's take a look at a simple use of flatMap. We define an array, and then in the callback of flatMap, we return another array with the original number and its preceding and succeeding numbers. The map part will create an array per member of our original array, and flat will flatten them to a single level array. We get new elements in the resulting array that we didn't have before. So flatMap actually helps us add elements. Now let's see how flatMap can also help us remove elements, essentially behaving like a filter and a flattening method in one go. We define an array of country objects that have a name and an array of cities. In a simple call, we only return cities for countries beginning with the letter C, and if not, an empty array. Flat will remove those empty arrays for us, essentially filtering them out. Pretty useful. Finally, note that the map part of flatMap will work on an array-like object, with the flat part won't. So the result of the map callback must be an array, and like flat, it will ignore empty elements. That's it for this 1-minute JavaScript video. Hope you liked it. Now, go code.